Hi, I'm Sarah Cantor, one of the studio librarians at the UTC Library. In this video, I'm going to go over some basics of graphic design to help you get started with your project. If you haven't watched the video Principles of Graphic Design, watch that too so you can start with some graphic design concepts. Click here to watch it or use the link in the description box. There are a few basic graphic design ideas that you should keep in mind when starting any project: planning your design, choosing your elements, and following graphic design principles. First, let's talk about planning. Just like you wouldn't start writing a paper without writing an outline, you should start by thinking about what your project needs to communicate. Think about the purpose, medium, and requirements of your project. Your purpose will help dictate your tone. Should your design be funny, serious, informative, or entertaining? Your medium will dictate how you actually make your design. Is it a large format poster, a trifold brochure, or something to be shared digitally? Finally, since this is for an assignment, think about any requirements your professor may have given you. Do you need to include a certain number of images? Your format and requirements will help you choose what goes into your design, while your purpose will help you decide what those elements will look like and how they'll interact. Once you've started thinking about what you need to include, you can start brainstorming. You can do this however you want. Sketch it out, make lists, or whatever works for you. This process will both help you get more creative and give you something to refer back to in case you get lost in the weeds. Now that you have an idea of what you're going to design, you can start making some design choices, like font and color. Let's start by talking about color. Bad color choices can destroy an otherwise excellent design. A bad color choice can make your document hard to read and interpret, or keep your audience from connecting with it. Good color choices will keep your design legible and can create an emotional connection for the viewer. There are different types of color combinations, like monochromatic, variations on the same hue, complementary, colors that are across from each other on the color wheel, and triadic, 3 colors spaced evenly apart on a color wheel. If you're not sure how to choose good color combinations, Adobe and Canva both have tools to help you pick colors. The links are in the video description box. Choosing appropriate fonts is just as important as making good color choices. Fonts, like colors, can determine the way your audience will connect with your design. Fonts can be serious or fun, businesslike or casual. Pick a font that matches the tone you want to set with your design and your purpose. A font that might be a good choice for a party flyer might not be a good option for your infographic assignment. You also want to make sure that your font will make your design easy to read. If you're not sure what fonts go together, using different font weights like light, medium, and heavy in the same family always looks clean and coordinated. If you want to use multiple fonts in a design, picking one sans serif font and one serif font usually looks pretty nice. By starting out with planning your design, your project will become less daunting. By being thoughtful about your color and font choices, your project will start to come together aesthetically.